Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up the part of the video in DaVinci Resolve. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, of course, you will need to open DaVinci Resolve and upload your video to the timeline and go and select here the cut section. So in the most programs, to speed up the part of the video, you firstly need to cut this part of the video that you want to select. So for example, cut this part that we want to speed up and basically increase speed like 500%. But it does not work that way in DaVinci Resolve, because when the video is sped up like that, as you can see, yes, it speeds up, but in the end it adds some extra frames that weren't in this part that we cut it. So as you can see, this part is in the end, but DaVinci added it to this part of the video that we sped up. So in DaVinci we speed up the video different way. So to do this, all we have to do is to simply select the video and right click on the part when we want to start the speed increase. So for example, I want to increase this part starting in that moment. So I need to select the moment and right click on it and click on add speed point. And now I need to select the end, the last moment when I want the speeding to end. So for example, here I want my speed increase to end, so I need to add additional speed point like that. And as you can see here, I have now 3 parts of the video. These that will be in the original speed, and in increased speed. So here I need to simply click on this 100% and click on set. And now I can choose what speed I would like to see here. So for example, I want to increase like 300% 3 times. So click on set, and as you can see, now it works just perfectly. If you start the video, as you can see, it does not add some extra frames. It just speeds up the part that we selected, and basically that is it. That is how you can speed up the part of the video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.